what we got here is a 2008 Nightster, 14-inch Burley Ape hangers for narrow glide on the 2-inch riser. I cut some of the foam out of the seat so it'd send me back a little bit. I really want to go with a solo seat, but I don't know which one to go with yet. The exhaust is Vance & Hines side shots. I had a little problems with them. I ended up cutting the H pipe out of, or the X pipe out of them. Whatever it was, it had a pipe to equalize the pressure. I cut it out, and it was hellaciously loud. It shortened it up by, I don't know, maybe 2 inches. It was damn loud, way too loud. And so I got bored and started messing around with it, and ended up heat wrapping them, and put those washers in there, and gained all the torque and everything back down low, or it feels a ton better. I don't know whether or not it'll, dyno any different, but it feels badass. It's nothing too serious. There's a jockey shift set up. You can actually see the spring that I got for a little bit of tension with a straight up bar. My old lady rides with me, so I don't have the ass wipe shifter on there anymore. Other than that, that's about it. Let me know what you think.